Hey guys, it's 21st of July. Cody and I gearing up the USS Minnow. Gonna take it out and see what we can do today for walleye. All right, let's do this.
Trolling. I could feel something was playing with the line, and I set the hook, and that's nice fish. Nice 3.5 pounder. Nothing wrong with that.
Here you go, folks. This is what happens when you get your 8 fish and you're limited out. And you keep catching beauties like this. We don't have our live well on today. So in he goes for another day. Gotta love it. Today's just one of those days we can't do anything wrong today. Creator is with us. Ready? Yep. What another beautiful fish. Oh yeah. What do you think, David?
Great day of fishing.
What do you find the outdoors does for you?
Good outdoor medicine.
Good outdoor medicine, brother.
That was a cluster there for a second here.
All right, let's keep yours.
Steve with another decent walleye.
Yeah, baby.
We got a double header here. I'm hooked up. Steve's hooked up. Steve, folks, with the shirt off.
Give the X-rated version. Oh, net. All right.
Another nice walleye. Ready?
Ready, bud. Folks, I know you'd never believe it today, but again, we are hammering them today. This walleye. Amazing. Amazing. Oh, if I get my hook out here. Oh, not so amazing. Look at the size of that walleye. What a beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. All right, here's Cody. Just brought in this bad boy, 10.5 pounds. Put up a great fight, but what a pain when you're trying to catch walleyes.
And there you go.
Having fun, Cody?
Oh, lots of fun.
Ready? I think there's a fish on here, but we never felt a bite.
And it's a clam.
There it is, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, that's our second clam of the day.